Looking for fast, honest, and professional garage door services in New Caney, Texas, and beyond? Meet Honest Overhead Door, LLC, your trusted local experts. As a family-owned company, we take pride in serving both homeowners and businesses with the highest standards of quality and integrity. From residential garage door upgrades to commercial door systems and automatic electric gate installations, our skilled team handles every project with efficiency and care. We specialize in repairs, new installations, and custom solutions, always delivering the honesty and reliability that define our reputation. At Honest Overhead Door, LLC, your satisfaction is our top priority, and we never settle for second best. We proudly serve New Caney and over 40 cities across Texas, including Houston, Katy, The Woodlands, Conroe, and Cypress. Whether you need a new door, a quick repair, or a custom gate, call Honest Overhead Door, LLC at 832-988-6541 or visit honestoverheaddoor.net. Honest Overhead Door, LLC. Built on honesty. Powered by trust.